friends, my name is Aimee Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and to the April project pan update. We got some good news, we got some slightly less satisfying news, but it's good. We're moving on forward. If you guys are new and you enjoy project pan videos, low buy-year content, no buy-year content about how to just like live your best life and be your best self, then this is the place for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm currently trying to get 20,000 subscribers. Maybe you could be one of them. Join us. Okay, so let's get in to the project pan and let's start with the NARS blush. This is a consistent, you know, month on month we see a little bit of progress. We like that. We like to see that pan growing, and we do have a little bit more growth this month. I think it's coming along nicely. Will it be done by the end of the year? Yes. We're putting positive affirmations out there. Yes, it will be done by the end of the year. Next, let's talk about my Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Charcoal Mask. So this, I guess, is where we started. This is where we were at the end of last month. And then if I can kind of like squeeze the air out, you can see that this is where we are now. If this was a different kind of mask, I would be able to probably use what's left up of this in probably 2 applications. But because my skin has recently changed from really oily to kind of like normal people's skin, this is a little bit too drying for me now, so I only have to put it in like my oiliest areas. So that's why it's taking a little while for me to use this, but hey, it's progress. Next, let's talk about something, that we can be really excited about. Okay, are you ready? It's the Clinique Long Last Lipstick in Pink Spice. We know it. We've been battling this one for 1.5 years now. But you guys, look at this. Look at this. It's almost gone. Almost. I know that once you finish up a lipstick, there's always a little bit more like down in the tube. And technically, I have been known to take out a lip brush and then, you know, scoop it up and use the whole thing. I'm not going to do that with this for the sake of my sanity, really. I just want to pan it and move on with my life. And we're so close. Next, I have this was new last month, right? The months, they're all rolling into one. I think this was new last month. I don't know. This is the, What Are You? I don't even think I introduced it last month. I was just like, here's the thing I'm bringing in. Don't think I ever actually used or introduced the name. This is the OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless something. I don't know. There's so much hair. Oh my gosh, please send help for me in my life. Okay, anyway, so this black line shows where we were last month when we started. We've moved a little way down now. Not huge progress, but then again, it is a hair oil, so there's only so much you can use. I did read some comments from you guys last time. Some of you recommended using this as like a pre-wash treatment, which I did do, and I will continue to do because that seemed to work quite nicely. But yeah, we're chipping away at this one. This is the Soap & Glory The Daily Smooth Amazingly Effective Dry Skin Formula Body Butter. Well, this is how much I've used anyway. I'm about halfway through it. It's been pretty easy to get through because it's very thick, and therefore I feel like I'm using a lot of product each time. So not a big fan of the product, wouldn't necessarily recommend, but at least I'm getting through it. Then we have this candle, this random candle I found in my drawer from Matalan. I don't know, does it smell like anything? I'm not impressed. And it goes to show because I've barely used any of it. Final product, we used it up. Remember I said this is a team effort. It's the Benefit High Beam, the little luminescent highlighting drops. I mean, technically, if you want to be very technical about it, I probably do have like one more application just left on the brush because there's quite a little bit of a lump of product there. But I'm ready to let this go and bring in a new product to the project pan. Are you ready to see what it is? I hope not, because I haven't got it from the bathroom yet. Okay, this is the Garnier Summer Body Moisturizing Lotion for a sun-kissed look. This is one of those moisturizers that has a little bit of self-tanner in it. I'm not confident enough to go in with like a fake tan. I know I will be streaky. I know it will look 50 Shades of Orange. But this works well for me. I don't get any streakiness. It feels nice. It's got a bit of a funky smell, but they all do, right? So this is going to be great for me as we move into the summer months, because look at how pale I am. And this is my face that has been in the world. Imagine how pale my legs are. So this is great. I have used a little bit of this. I guess I must have used some last summer maybe. We're about here right now. But yeah, we should be able to get this one finished up. I'm particularly keen to use this up because I have 3 of them. It was something I used to stockpile. So that is how my project pan has gone this month. I've used up 1 extra product, which means that brings my grand total to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've used up 5 products so far, and I want to use up 21 by the end of the year. So yeah, we're kind of on track for that. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another project pan video today. Let me know how your project pans are going, because I'm nosy and I like to know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember that I love you so much and you are enough just as you are. Have a beautiful day and I will see you next time. Bye guys.